video is going to show you how to solve a decimal word problem. So we're going to talk about Alicia. Alicia ran a distance of 15 and 8/10 kilometers one week and 17 and 34/100 kilometers the following week. How far did she run in the 2 weeks? So we're going to start with that draw strategy. So we're just going to draw a rectangle, and because we are adding 2 weeks together, we're going to split our rectangle in half. The first week is 15 and 8/10. The second week is 17 and 34/100. Okay. To find the total, I know I need to add those two together. So I'm looking for my total up there. So I'm going to think about turning those decimals into fractions. So I'm going to write 15 and 8/10 plus 17 and 34/100. Okay. Then I have to have that common unit or common denominator. Try that again. Which means this number needs to be the same as that number so I can add together. So I know that 15 and 8/10 is the same as 15 and 80/100. I can always draw a rectangle and split that out. And think about that. So it'd be 1/10, 2/10, 3/10, 4/10, 10, 6/10, 7/10, 8/10. And I know each of those has 10 little boxes there if I split it into hundreds. Okay. And then, of course, 17 and 34/100 stays the same. So then I need to simply add that together. 15 and 17 would be 32. And then 80/100 plus 34/100 would be 114/100. And I'm going to split out here, and I'm going to take my work up here where I have some room. I'm going to take my whole out of 14/100, so that would be 100/100 and 14/100. Okay, so I have one whole, and I'm actually going to add that to the 32, so that gives me 33 whole plus 14/100. So my final answer would be 33 and 14/100.